today, just I'll tell you very briefly about the program. Dean Jreije very soon will open the ceremony, and then there will be 2 speeches by our sponsors, CCT and the Murex. And then Mr. Mohammed Fouad, the director of ICPC, will close the ceremony, and after that the guests can be excused for a technical session between the judge and the contestants.
Well, my name is Rayan Jreije. I'm part of a bigger team, which is CCT company, and the mother company CCC, which is one of the leading contractors in the world. So what's CCT mission statement? And I'll be explaining that as we go down the line in the presentation. Mostly visioneering, it's engineering with a vision, and it's the automation of our processes, of a typical EPC construction, EPC contractor. And we always say, have it been easy, somebody else would have done it. We are probably 17 years ago, we were talking about concepts that were considered a bit of much of an R&D and a bit of reality. Today, luckily, everyone is going in this direction. And again, this is a nice slide where I'm focusing on our human capital as CCT. We have over 65 employees in Beirut. The education level, we have 5% of them are PhD students, 30% with masters, 5% with MBAs, 25% with industry qualifications, mechanical engineers, plant engineers, civil engineers, and quite a lot of our leaders have RTMP certified and technology certified, such as Microsoft. Again, since our early starts in the 90s, doing R&D about 3D technologies and visual project controls, we were in direct collaboration with the center in Stanford called SciFi. Together we built a vision for the industry that Stanford called virtual design and construction. We called visual project controls. Also, we have done a lot of research with the University of Alberta regarding simulation. We heavily and extensively use simulation in our systems, in our solutions. Again, we're part of a lot of research associations, mainly FIAPAC, which is an American-based organization that puts together big oil and gas related companies and plants, Shell, BP, Bechtel, CCC. And this is a place where we meet twice a year and we exchange innovative ideas. So we started again like 17, 18 years ago with the idea of C3D. It didn't come out of nothing. It came out of 50 years experience of managing construction, and we knew 3D was at the heart of any control panel which will manage a construction site. Again, it's not C3D alone. We are part of many other software solutions that work in harmony all together toward building one framework to provide solutions for this industry. And I'll be talking about this later. Again, C3D it's not just a 3D viewer, it's the only object-oriented, relational, database-driven viewer in the market that's completely interactive. I like to call it the Excel of 3D, where you open a 3D model and you can do whatever you think of with it. So let me say, these are numbers that engineers can understand, so let me just relay them to you. So this project has steel, only steel, 5 times the Eiffel Tower. The whole area is like more of 100 times bigger than a rugby field. The concrete alone put there is like twice the concrete in Burj Khalifa. And if you look, a plane flies at 10,000 meter high, from 20,000 meter high, this is how it will look. This is how the airport would look. How did we achieve this? Technologies we used are we are heavy on 3D graphics, 4D animations, we are heavy on business process modeling, we are heavy on mobile development, Android, coming iOS and Windows, Web 2.0, because as you know we are working in areas that are really remote. All of our time-sensitive applications need to be web ready. cloud computing, semantic web. All of our systems are designed in object-oriented manner. Even the data is modeled in object-oriented manner. And it's very important to decrease time is about automatic data acquisition. Automatic data acquisition right now is happening through mobiles and RFIDs to track some equipments or some material, some specific material which is on site. You pass by a site laydown area and then you can pick up what material is there because they are tagged with RFIDs. I took more than my time, but I'm almost there. Thank you for attending. And again, software engineering is what we like most. I'm a software engineer at heart. I studied software engineering. But look at the industry. It's very challenging, and this is where you can make great careers. And good luck.